Okay, welcome back to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like. Last time we checked this car and we changed the alternator, the Ford Explorer. You see, we put a brand new alternator. Now I want to show you, the first video I have it is to show you what is the reading when the alternator is bad. You know, this wire here, let me show you here. We have 3 wires on the alternator socket. This is power, ignition power. When you turn the ignition on, this wire is supposed to have 12 volt. Now, this wire here is supposed to read from 5 volt, and based on the alternator charging 5 to 6 volt, it will go up. This is a blue and orange. It will give a feedback to the computer, and the engine computer, based on the charging system, like how. Okay, let's first remember this one here. If you unplug it, it have from you're gonna have a battery voltage like 8 volt and up, or 6 volt and up battery voltage. But when you start it, it's a modulator. When you plug it into the alternator, the voltage becomes 0. But when you start it, it will start giving a signal modulator back to the computer. So let's put it now. Let's see. The ignition is off. It's connected there. You can watch the first video. I connect this one here. Want to see the reading? Like 0 volt. 0 volt. Now, if the alternator is charging, if you disconnect the connector if you disconnect the connector there, it will read 12 volt or 11 volt over 8 volt. But if you plug it, it will read 0. Now, if I start it, it should fluctuate. It should go up and down. So let me try to start the car. If it doesn't fluctuate and the continuity is good, as soon as you disconnect it, you have 12 volt. That means the computer is communicating. So I'm going to start it now. And we see what's going on now, okay? You can watch the first video or the second video on the same. Okay, the battery, there is no battery signal. That's the alternator is not charging. So what I'm gonna go here, let's see what is it. I don't see anything here. It's supposed to go up and down. There's nothing. Okay, there's 0 volt. It's okay. Let's see the other one, the orange one. The wire is not well connected. I put it correctly now. You see, it's pulling down. You see, it start working from 0. It go to 5 volt. If you take it out, it's like 12 volt, like battery volt. As soon as you start the car, it's supposed to go from 0 to 5 volt. It's modulating. This is just the reading, that at least you have the idea that it is charging. How's the reading? Let me stop the car. I'm gonna stop the car. Is the ignition on? Let me see what I have. With the ignition on, I have like 0.26. It's a purple wire. So let me start it now. I start the car. Let's see what the reading now. See, it go to 5.7. So all those cars with the 3-line alternator, Ford, when you have it, look at this voltage. Now, this one here, the yellow and orange, yellow and red, or yellow and orange, is 14 point something. You see here? Perfect. Now I have another one. I don't know, this one here. This one here is always, you know, is going fluctuating between 0 and 0.5. Hold on. Have a antifreeze leak. So you see that the other one is 0 to 0.5 fluctuating. I don't know what was the reading before. You see what it does? Let me see without the car running how much work I have. Okay, let me turn the key off. Ignition on. I want to see what the reading now. This is what I'm seeing here, 0.38. If you disconnect it, maybe it have kind of worked, but I see it here that it is in this area. This is a good running alternator. This is what you see on it. Let me start it one more. Okay, let me see what the reading is. It's fluctuating here, look here. This is blue and orange. Yeah, you see it's going up to 1 volt and come back. Now I want to check again this one. I'm checking again the purple one. Here it is. For a good running alternator. You can check the other alternator. You can check the first video. Let me show you how it works. Okay, this air conditioner is working. I don't have no antifreeze, so I'm not gonna let the car running too much. Please subscribe, share and like. You see it go up sometime. All the way. The fan work. Oh, I did not connect the fan. I'm gonna make a video on about the cooling fan too. Stay with us, please. This one here we know how it works. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share and like, and see you in another video.